us to provide security, traffic control, and reliability without touching the application code. Like this, Istio will works.
Yeah.
We dive into like what is service mesh. Service mesh is an infrastructure layer that manages like how services talk with each other, and also instead services handles their own monitoring traffic and security. Here we use mesh that will take care of all the monitoring, traffic control, and security centrally. And also this ECO uses a tiny side arc. What will that do means uh, it controls the communications automatically. With this, we can able to achieve traffic control and we can able to ensure security across each microservices while communicating. Let's go with why we use ECO to modernize our architecture. Like it helps us to upgrade our architecture with built-in security, provides traffic control and visibility. We can able to achieve deep visibility by observing metrics, traces, and logs, and also we can it let us enforce mutual transfer layer security across all services. Like the message sending from one services to other services will be overlap with the envelope. So the message is verified and also it can be identified. Like using this ECO, we can able to achieve deployment strategies like canary and blue-green deployment.
Yeah.
This strategies can be very useful if we use this ECO in our architecture. And also I'm going to tell a difference like how ECO is works with microservices and if we not ECO means what will happen. Like that I'm going to say like uh, can you able to see this architecture? This architecture is a microservice architecture of a book
Okay.
info.
Linus, can you please zoom it?
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. 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 Now fine.
here there are assume like a request is coming from three different users. Here we are having ports like product page, details, and reviews with rating.
Mm-hmm.
Like the request is coming from three different users. First, they will go to the product page, which is the home page. From here, the traffic goes to detail means they can able to view the detail page content in this home page. And if the traffic goes to review means here we are having three ports for reviews and all the three are entirely different from each other. Like user one can able to see the reviews with no rating because it is not connected with the review. And user two will able to see the review with black star rating and user three will able to see the review with red star rating. Here it clearly shows like there is no traffic control and it leads to inconsistent configuration and developers and DevOps people may face lot of duplications work due to this. Let's see how we address this issue. Like if we use ECO in our microservices means what will this happen means here we are having a sidecar proxy. Like it is interconnected with all the containers. These
Mm-hmm.
all containers will be inside each separate ports. Like this ingress info is a uh, port which accepts the external traffic from the internet and gives it to the it acts as a gateway. From this, if the request is something, if this product page wants to communicate with this detail page means first it wants to send request to this sidecar and from this sidecar request is goes to this and from this only the request will be sent to details page so that you can able to see the detail content in the home page. By this approach we can able to ensure traffic control and we can able to assure security also by this way. Let me explain it with a real-time example and workflow like how it works. Like imagine one of our microservices goes down due to overloading downstream. One of our microservices goes down because of downstream services overloaded. On that time, imagine it with two cases. Case one, we are using a microservice without Istio. On the time, what will happen is that overloaded downstream will spread and affects the entire application. In the
Okay.
second case, if we use Istio in our architecture means we can able to retrieve it and apply circuit breaking and prevents the issue from cascading so that all other services will run stably.
Okay.
This is the use case of this, and the key benefits we are getting here are automated mutual transfer layer security across all services, and also we can easily able to deployment strategy like canary, blue green. All the deployment strategies can be easily able to deploy here, and also like I said, mm, like I explained in the previous real-time example, like we are using a resilience feature like retries and circuit breaking. Like if anything goes wrong, it will automatically resolve that issues, and also we can able to monitor it deeply with metrics, logs, and traces. The call to action for this is using SEO. We can communicate with one services with other services securely without breaking the application code. Thank you.
Okay.